Galagikade. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for tuning in today. My name is Emma. Today I will teach you how to read Korean for absolute beginner. So as you know, it'll start with the Korean alphabets. So, if you want to learn how to read Korean, then you're in the right place. There is a total of 25 letters in Korean, but before we do that, let's just clear out the confusions about the name Karen and a group of people call themselves Korean. So Karen for the name is Karen, but for us, for me, for our community is called Korean. We pronounce it Korean. So Korean is a group of people or a community of people who called themselves Korean. Many years ago, like 60 more years ago, 60 or so years ago, we had to flee our own country and then move to another country so that we could get a shelter and food to eat. So some of the Korean people, not a lot, but Korean people, they moved to Thailand itself. But most of us, we live in camps. So it's kind of like refugees and stuff. Yeah, not kind of, but really is a refugee. But then later on, like 10 or more so years ago, we get the opportunity to move to another country such as USA, Canada, Australia, and you name it. We scattered all around the world until today. So because of that, because we live in a foreign country, some of the Korean kids forgot their own language. I mean, they can still speak it, but they can't read it or write it. So I'm just gonna teach you how to read Korean for the beginner only. So not write, just read. But you can also copy the word on the screen and then you'll have to study it later. So after I teach you guys that, you guys gonna have homework of reading and writing. After you can read all of the alphabet, then not read, like make a sound of it or recognize the word and the sound. If you can do that, then just come back for vowels. Without further ado, let's get started to the reading. Okay, so there's, as you all already know, it's 25 letters in Korean. So we're just gonna go along the way and read all of it first, or you can do like 5 each day and then that way you can remember it. But I'm just gonna teach you guys all together 25 letters and then you guys can do the homework that way. Okay, so the first letter is, I'm just gonna make a sound and then read it, like how to read the Korean word and the letter out. So it's gonna be ga, ga, ga do, ga do, ga do, ga, ka, ka, kagawa, 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 ka, ra, ra, rashi, rashi, raglala, rashi, or ra, 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 Gado. Gado. So the next letter will be only nga. Nga. Not na. It's nga. Nga. Like the end of the word sing. Sing. S-I-N-G. The only part is N-G. Nga. Sa. Sa. Sa pleur. Or you can say sa de pleur. Sa. Sa de pleur. Because it's round, we call it pleur. Sa pleur. Sa. Sa. Sa bi. Sa bi. Sa. Sha. Sha. Shakweme. Shakweme. Sha. Nya. Nya. Nya nhô kho. Nya nhô kho. Nya. Da. Da. Does he? Does he? Or you can say it dawasu. Dawasu. Da. Ta. Ta. Tadhi. Tadhi. Ta. Because it's two of them, it's twins, so we call it dhi. Tadhi. This word looks like number 3, but we pronounce it da. 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 This word is na. Na. Na does he. Na does he. Na. Ba. Ba. Ba the call. Ba the call. Ba. Pa. Pa. Papawi. Papawi. Ba. Ba. Bataku. Bataku. Ba. Ma. Ma. Madrita. Madrita. Ma. Ya. Ya. Ya o tho. Ya o tho. Ya. Ra. Ra. Raki. Raki. Ra. La. La. La keko. La keko. La. Wa. Wa. It looks like an O. Wa. Wa. Gawa. Gawa is circle. Wakawa. Tha. Thadocho. Thadocho. Tha. Ha. Ha. Hakila. Hakila. Ha. A. A. Akisha. Akisha. A. This is the last alphabet, the last letter. Gada. Gada. So this is the Korean alphabet. So if you already know the 25 letters of the Korean, that is great. But if you don't know it, study it, recognize the letter and the sound, and then you'll get it. You'll get it. I promise you, this is easy, because English is harder than Korean because of the grammar. And so I hope you enjoy studying Korean. And if you want to reach me, you can just go ahead and comment down below and ask a question, or you can also inbox me in my social media, Facebook at Emma too. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Please, if you like this video, give it a like, and you can also share. Yeah, so I hope you have a wonderful day. If you watch it at the evening, then it'll be Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Or if you watch it in the afternoon, it'll be Nilagi. Or if you watch it at night, it will be Nalagi. God bless you. You are Chogi. See you next time. Till then,